Maybe you've been in a similar situation. You image the carotids and all of a sudden you see a lump or some kind of a nodule in the thyroid and you wondered what it is. Well, this was actually the starting point of this course.
Performing thyroid sonography, you will come across a lot of pathologies. You will come across different nodules. What I want you to know after this course is which of these pathologies are relevant.
Thyroid ultrasound is actually a multidisciplinary topic. This is why we're so happy to have an endocrinologist, a thyroid surgeon, and specialists from nuclear medicine on board. We try to embed the topic in the whole clinical environment that many of you work in. How to interpret laboratory findings, what the symptoms of thyroid disorders are, and also how to treat patients once you find specific findings on thyroid ultrasound. Take this opportunity and become a thyroid ultrasound master.